In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Shopify, a task that might seem simple at first glance but can sometimes be a bit tricky to navigate if you're not familiar with the platform, whether you're facing issues with your store, have questions about billing, or need any other type of support. Being able to effectively reach out to Shopify's support team is crucial. Let's start from the very beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is visit Shopify's homepage. It's important to ensure you're logged out before proceeding with the next steps, as this tutorial assumes you're starting from scratch. If you're already logged in, simply log out to follow along seamlessly. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, look for the login option. This is your gateway to accessing the dashboard where all the magic happens. Clicking on Login will take you to a new page designed to help you access your account. It's a straightforward process, and Shopify's user-friendly interface makes it even simpler. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your Shopify store, the one you used when you initially set up your account. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors that could prevent you from logging in successfully. Following that, the next step involves entering your password. After typing it in, click on the Login button to access your Shopify admin. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Shopify offers an easy way to reset it so you can regain access to your account. Upon successfully logging in, you will be directed to the My Store or Home Shopify page. This is essentially your control room. From here, you can manage your products, view analytics, adjust settings, and most importantly, for our current purpose, access support. To proceed with contacting Shopify's support team, you'll need to locate the Help Center. If you're not immediately sure where to find this, look for a question mark icon or a help option typically located at the bottom or side of your admin dashboard. Clicking on Help Center takes you to a repository of useful information including guides, FAQs, and more. However, since our aim is to email Shopify directly, the next step is crucial: finding and selecting the Contact Support option. This might be presented as a button, link, or even just text, depending on Shopify's current site layout and design. Clicking this will initiate the process to get in touch with the support team. It's worth mentioning that Shopify's support format can vary. Sometimes you might start with a chat to pinpoint your issue before being given the option to email. Other times, you might find a contact form or direct email address right away. Regardless of the format, ensure you clearly explain your issue or question to receive the most accurate and helpful assistance. Now, while these steps are designed to steer you in the right direction, I want to offer a few additional tips. 1. Before reaching out, take a moment to search the Help Center. Often the answer to your question is already documented in one of the detailed guides or FAQs, saving you time. 2. When you do contact support, be as detailed as possible in your query. Include any relevant links, screenshots, and a thorough explanation of your issue. This helps the support team understand your problem better and provide a more effective solution. As value 3, patience is key. While Shopify's support team is known for being responsive, response times can vary, especially during high volume periods. Rest assured they are working to assist you as quickly as possible. 4. Familiarize yourself with Shopify's community forums and blogs. These platforms are treasure troves of information and can be invaluable resources for troubleshooting, tips, and advice from fellow Shopify users and professionals. 5. Lastly, always ensure your contact information is up to date in your Shopify account. This ensures that you can receive replies from the support team without any hitches. Navigating any support system can sometimes feel daunting, but with Shopify, you're in good hands. Their platform is designed with user experience in mind, making it relatively straightforward to find the help you need. Whether you're a seasoned merchant or just starting out, knowing how to effectively communicate with Shopify's support team is essential for maintaining a successful store. That wraps up our guide on how to email Shopify. Remember, every problem has a solution, and Shopify's support team is there to ensure your e-commerce journey is as smooth as possible. Happy selling!